Most people have heard of a self-fulfilling prophecy in the context of parenting or education. This is where we hold a negative expectation of a certain behavior, and this results in us taking actions that cause our expectation to then become the reality. So, for example, the parent who worries their teenager is not trustworthy and then imposes strict rules on their child. And as a result, the child begins to sneak out because their freedom is so limited. The principle of self-fulfilling prophecies also holds true at work, but it can be used for good. The positive influence of expectations on those around us has been labeled the Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect is based on a Greek myth of Pygmalion. In this myth, the sculptor Pygmalion creates a beautiful ivory statue of a woman and then proceeds to fall in love so deeply with the statue that his love brings her to life. The moral of the myth is that our expectations alter reality because they change our behavior. This story reminds me that what we believe to be true about our colleagues, whether they're correct or not, will have real consequences. If we pay attention to this idea, it means that we'll look for the good, for the potential, for the strengths in others, not their faults or downfalls. By understanding the power of our expectations, we can use this knowledge to develop the people around us, rather than undermining their potential for learning and growth.